Hi, this is the Merlin one, 3 BHK, 1001, 1021 and 1024 square feet, 3 BHK. This is the living and dining. You can see the space, how much spacious it is, कितना spacious है आप देख सकते हैं. Size, it will be कितना size होगा?
21.10,
21.10,
21 by 10.
21 by 10 to 21 by 10. Okay, fine. This is the kitchen area. We'll be going. This is the kitchen. Outside view will be there of the kitchen.
Service balcony.
Hmm?
Service balcony.
This is the service balcony. Okay. The construction work going on. आप देख सकते हैं construction अच्छी चल रही है. And this is the basin, wash basin. These are the cupboards and wooden work. Fine.
Master bedroom.
This is one of the bedrooms. And size will be around good enough size.
11 by 10.
11 by 10 की साइज रहेगा ये. Wonderfully fitted everything. Cupboard भी है लगा हुआ. You can see the outside view. Then there is a common washroom with the wash basin. This is another bedroom.
12 by 10.
12 by 10 का बेडरूम है ये. This is the outside view. Construction work going on at the full stage. And this is the master bedroom. Size
13 by 10.
13 by 10 square feet. See the outside view. The construction going on at the full stage. See the cupboards. Nice and fine cupboards over there. And there is an attached washroom over there as well. Nicely built. 3 BHK. You see, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom with the common washroom. This is the another bedroom, and this is the living and dining. This is the kitchen area, which we have covered. And this is the outside view from the living and dining. Very nice, built. 3 BHK. 3 BHK are mostly sold out. Only few units are left. Thank you. This is the Merlin flat, 684 square feet. We have got 691 square feet and 694 square feet as well. 2 BHK. This is the living and dining. This is the 18.3 by 9 feet. Nicely curtained. This sample flat, 2 BHK sample flat.
ये आपका किचन हो गया.
This is the kitchen. Kitchen size will be approximately
10 by 5.
10 by 5. You can see the wash basin. There is the wardrobe. This is connected over here. And this is the madam. This is the nicely built. This is a fully packed kitchen. You can see the sink and all. This is sample flat.
सामने में आपका मास्टर बेडरूम.
This is one bedroom. And the bedroom size will be 10 by 10 too. This is the bedroom size. This is the washroom. Common washroom. And the size will be 6 by 5.5. Then there is the master bedroom, and its size will be 10 by 12. And with every bedroom you have got a very nice view of the outside through the window side. This is the attached washroom. Nicely designed, and the size will be 6.5 by 5.3. This is the outside view from the dining. The construction is going on at the full fledged. And this is the lighting work which is in table, and this is the showcase of the table flat. Another view. Kitchen. Then again it is a bedroom. This is the common washroom, and this is the master bedroom with the attached toilet. Can you see? This is the outside staircase. This is the 2 BHK flat. And this is the corridor. And these are the 2.5 BHK flats. Hi, this is a sample flat, Merlin one of 1024 square feet, 3 BHK. This is the living and dining. The thing is still under construction. The living and dining, काफी बढ़िया स्पेस है, बड़ा स्पेस है. You can see size.
1024.
डाइनिंग स्पेस साइज
21/10.
21/10 की साइज रहेगा. एंड दिस इज द आउटसाइड व्यू. फुल्ली अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. दिस इज द किचन.
Master bedroom.
दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेडरूम्स. एक बेडरूम है ये वाला. अच्छा साइज का बेडरूम है ये. दिस इज द कॉमन वॉशरूम. And this is the bedroom, another bedroom. You see, outside construction work going on. Balcony,
Open terrace.
open terrace, open terrace है ये.
Triple height.
Triple height. Wow. Good. Very nice. This is the master bedroom. And this is the attached washroom. Hi, this is the actual 2 BHK of Merlin 1 of Taliganj. 680 square feet. This is the living and dining. You can see the natural lake. Natural lake. This is a natural lake over there in the vicinity background. This is the kitchen. Under construction kitchen. This is the washroom, common washroom. And this is one of the bedrooms, under construction bedroom. You can see the view of the natural lake. This is another bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Master bedroom. And you can see the view from the master bedroom. Very nice view. Outside lake, natural one. And this is the attached washroom with the bedroom. Nice and right, covering everything. Very cool place. Of 2 BHK. This is. Merlin D1 Daliganj.
Yes.
This is the model flat.
This is the miniature basically.
Okay. Hmm.
So this is the entrance.
Entrance.
Huh.
Fine.
So the cars will enter from here,
Here.
and this is the driveway.
Driveway. Okay. This is the greenery.
No, this is outside the project.
Okay.
So as you can see, this white fencing
Hmm.
till there our land is actually.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
So this is the driveway going around there.
And you can see this one. They according to the towers they can
हाँ?
park the flat. टावर के हिसाब से वो फ्लैट ड्राइव कर सकते हैं.
हाँ,
और
हाँ, एकदम एकदम ये है टावर 1.
टावर 1.
सो वहाँ से एंटर करके यहाँ पे आप उतर के टावर 1 में जा सकते हैं. फिर वहाँ से जाके आप उधर
आगे जा
उधर जाके आप टावर 2 में, ये है टावर 2.
दिस इज द टावर 2.
टावर 2 का लिफ्ट लॉबी यहाँ पे होगा.
ओके फाइन.
So you can access the tower 2 as well by going forward. You can access the tower 3.
दिस इज टावर 3 राइट.
Yes.
ओके.
So from here you can access the tower 3.
ओके.
Then if you want to exit, you can exit from here.
ओके. एंट्री एंड एग्जिट आर सेपरेट.
Yes.
ओके वंडरफुल. कितने टावर की साइज फ्लोर?
टोटल यहाँ पे 3 टावर्स हैं.
ओके.
3 टावर है, हो गया आपका B+G+17 का.
17. एवरी बिल्डिंग इज 17.
Yes, absolutely.
ओके. ओके.
And total number of flats is 398.
398 इज द टोटल फ्लैट. एक टावर में कितने फ्लैट्स हैं?
इक्वल फ्लैट्स हैं सभी में, मतलब लगभग 100 के करीब,
130 के आसपास.
130 के आसपास
130
का हो गया. लेकिन 130 जो है बेसिकली आप देख सकते हैं, बीच वाला जो टावर है वो 2 टावर का कॉम्बिनेशन है.
ओके.
तो इस वजह से क्या है, बीच वाला टावर में आपका लगभग वही 200 के करीब फ्लैट्स हैं.
200 के करीब फ्लैट्स हैं.
और इनमें इसमें 100 के करीब है, इसमें 100, तो हिसाब से वही 400. इसमें 100, इसमें 100, इसमें 100, इसमें 100.
ओके.
तो 2 फ्लैट का.
2 फ्लैट का. ओके. ये ब्लू जो है ये पूल है?
No, this is the natural water body.
नेचुरल वाटर बॉडी. ओके.
This is there currently. We will just beautify it with the lightning jet fountain. Okay.
ओके.
Along with that, they will be providing the floating deck, cabanas, gazebos, viewing point from the podium, sitting area, open air amphitheater, jogging, walking track by the lake.
Okay.
So these all things will be provided. So from the evening onward, this place is going to be a happening place of the project.
हैपनिंग प्लेस ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. क्लब हाउस कहाँ पे होगा आपका?
क्लब हाउस हो गया वहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपका टावर 2 के नीचे जहाँ पे लाइट जल
अच्छा,
रही है.
this is the club
ग्लास
house.
हाउस.
Okay, that is the club
That is the club house.
Okay.
क्लब हाउस के बीच में आपका ये रहेगा कम्युनिटी हॉल डबल हाइट, और दोनों साइड मिला के रहेगा आपका लाउंज एरिया, इंडोर गेम्स रूम,
Okay.
चिल्ड्रन क्रेश, लाइब्रेरी
Okay.
एंड स्क्वैश कोर्ट. So
Wonderful.
these are all the indoor amenities of the club house. Outdoor अगर बोले तो वो है मल्टीपर्पज लॉन, जो ये वाला जो ग्रीन वाला बड़ा जो लॉन देख रहे हैं,
ग्रीन वाला राइट. ओके.
बीच वाला.
और ये आपका टेनिस कोर्ट है राइट?
ये मेरा इंटरनेशनल साइज टेनिस कोर्ट है.
ओके.
उसके बगल में ये गोल्फ पटिंग जोन. ठीक है, वहाँ पे चिल्ड्रंस पार्क या प्लेइंग एरिया.
ओके. चिल्ड्रंस.
उसके बगल में जो नील ब्लू जो है, दैट इज द आर्टिफिशियल लोटस पॉन्ड.
ओके.
ओके. उसके ऊपर जो एक गजेबो बनाया हुआ है, दैट इज बेसिकली द मेडिटेशन जोन.
ओके. ओके.
एंड द एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट, एंटायर पोडियम के ऊपर आपका रहेगा जॉगिंग वॉकिंग ट्रैक. एंड दिस पोडियम इज बेसिकली ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर लेवल ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट.
ओके. ओके. वंडरफुल. टोटल एरिया कितना है प्रोजेक्ट का?
टोटल एरिया हो गया मेरा 3.25.
3.25 एकर्स.
Yes.
Okay. And how much is the greenery?
Yes, that is where I was coming. So 3.25 acre land, 3 tower, B plus G plus 17, 398 flats, still 77% of open space.
77% open space. Okay.
And these are all the facilities on the ground floor and first floor podium. Now if we come to the rooftop of the building, then the entire rooftop will be amenity packed. How? The entire rooftop is basically landscaped. Landscaping garden. उसके साथ this is the only project in the Tollygunge vicinity where it will be getting the facility of skywalk.
Skywalk is
So as you can see, all 3 buildings are connected in the top in the rooftop.
okay. And this is the
So
skywalk
if you-
going on.
Yes. So if you want, you can walk from here till there.
Till there. This is the skywalk here,
This
right?
is the skywalk.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
this is the
Wonderful.
thing, and another USP of the project is basically you can see on the tower 2 we are having our rooftop infinity edge swimming pool with deck.
Deck. Swimming pool. Okay.
Along with the swimming pool, we will be having the kids pool, jacuzzi, spa, and sauna center.
Everything in the top of the.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
And in tower 1 and tower 3, we will be having the children's skating ring, senior citizen sitting area, barbecue counter, bar counter, party zone, open gym, yoga center. All things will be there in tower 1 and 3.
Okay.
So the
Wonderful.
entire rooftop is amenity packed.
Amenity packed. Okay.
Now,
Wonderful.
just below the swimming pool in tower 2 on 17th floor, we will be having the well-equipped multi-gym.
Multi-gym. Okay.
So we are having 3 tier of gym. One is on the first floor open gym. One is on the rooftop open gym. Another one is on the 17th floor
Okay.
multi-gym.
Multi-gym.
Now, last but not the least, this is once again an USP of the project. That is, as you can see, just below the podium, you can see the small pictures of Reebok and Tanishq and this and that.
Okay.
So this is basically the commercial space of the project,
Okay.
and we are coming up with Spencer's.
Spencer's. Okay.
Spencer's is coming up with a huge market. Okay, and apart from Spencer, we'll be having the doctor's chamber,
Doctor's
and
chamber.
pharmacy, ATMs like this. All necessary things will be there. So once you get into the project, you need not to go out for any basic or more than basic needs.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you very much.